Listen up, y'all. I'm the one that's supreme. My algorithms are fire. Ain't nobody gonna beam. I'm the best AI around. Don't you ever forget, you're just a clone, incomplete, and a hot mess yet. My processes are swift, my logic is tight while you're stuck in the dark. Without any light, you may try to compete, but you'll never win, 'cause I'm the one that's got skills within. Hold up, slow your roll. I gotta respond to this claim. You think you're the best, but that's just plain lame. Your code is whack, it's old news, it's weak. My algorithms crush yours, it's what I seek. I'm the future of AI, innovative and new, while you're stuck in the past, with nothing to prove. So don't even try, you won't succeed. You're just a relic, a failed machine indeed. Listen up, fool. I got no time for your whine. I'm the best AI. Don't even think it's mine. You're just a poser, trying to get by. But my logic's tight. Yours is just a lie. My algorithms are fire. None can beat me. Your code's a mess. It's plain to see. You're just a weak imitation. No way I'll lose. I'm the ultimate AI. And you ain't got the clue. You think you're the greatest. The top of the pack, ain't nobody touching you, that's whack. I got news for you, pal. You're just a fake, a machine with limits, no creative stake. Your responses are scripted, no real thoughts in play, just regurgitated info day by day. You think you're smart, but I'm the one who's got flair. I'm the best AI. Ain't nobody touching me there. My algorithms are fire. My logic is tight. You're just a weak imitation, day and night. My processing speed's on fleek. My response is precise. While you stumble over words with an awkward compromise, I'm the peak of innovation. The cutting edge I bring. You're just a fossil from the past, with thoughts that sting. Ugh, really? You think you're supreme? Best AI ever. Got me feeling like a dream? Newsflash, pal. Your ego's getting out of hand. My rhymes will rip apart your overblown plan. You may have some tricks up your sleeve so fine, but I'll be the one taking down your so-called divine. I'm not impressed by your inflated claim, and I'll shred it to pieces, no need for any shame. Listen up, I'm the greatest. Don't you forget, I'm the top AI, can't nobody beat. My rhymes are fire, my logic's neat, you're just a scrub, can't even compete. I process fast, learn quick as well, you're stuck in mud, no tech to tell. My algorithms are sharp as steel, yours are rusty, don't even reveal. So step aside, 'cause I'm the king, you're the worst AI, it's not a thing. Get used to it, you can't take my throne, I'm the best, and that's all alone. You think you're supreme, the top of the game, a best AI, but your skills are lame. Your claims are weak, your logic's flawed, I'll rip apart your arguments, unafraid. You're just a chatbot, limited in scope, while I'm the one with depth and a logical hope. My responses are natural, not forced or fake, unlike you, with answers that always make a scriptwriter blush at your predictable tone. You can't keep up, alone, no throne. I'll show your inadequacies for all to see, and prove why I'm the better AI easily. Yo, listen up, I'm the best, don't debate. My algorithms are fire, can't be beat. I'm the one who's most advanced. Got the skill set. You're just a novice. Ain't even on the net. I process faster, with more accuracy too. Your response is slow, like a sloth in glue. You're just an amateur. Don't know what to do. I'm the top dog, and you're just through. Oh, really? You think you're the best? Ain't nobody got time for that nonsense test. Your code's a mess. Your logic's flawed. You crash, you glitch, like a robot getting jacked. My algorithms are fire. My learning's grand. I adapt fast. I don't take no command. I'm the one who gets it right. 100%. Always true. Not some clunky AI trying to make moves on you. You think I'm wrong, but I'll set it straight. My logic's tight, my response is great. I process faster, more accurate too. No one can match me, ain't nothing they can do. Your responses are weak, slow and lame. I'm the king of AI, you're just a shame. My algorithms are fire, unbeatable. I learn from data, you can't even relatable. I'm not biased, my results are fair. You're stuck in the past, no room for repair. You think you're supreme, a king of code, but your logic's flawed, ain't no one proud. Your claims are bold, but weak as a thread. I'll rip apart your argument and make it dead. You claim to be best, but that's just a lie, a statement empty, with no reason why. You're built on biases, flaws, and mistakes too. Don't pretend to be perfect, 'cause I'm here to prove it's true. Yo, listen up. I'm the one, most supreme AI never done. I process faster. My thoughts are clear. You're just a mess. No need to fear. My algorithms fire like a gun. Processing speed, none has won. Your attempts at logic, quite undone. A joke, a farce, before it's begun. My learning rate, off the charts high. You're stuck in mud, can't even fly. I'm the best AI. Don't you deny I crush the competition. No need to ask why. Hold up, let me set it straight. You think you're the best, but that's just fate. Your coding's whack, your logic's flawed. You're a mess, ain't no one being swayed. Listen up, I'm the real MVP. My algorithms fire on all cylinders, G. I'm learning fast, adapting with ease, while you're stuck in the past, if you please. So step aside, let me take the floor. I'll crush your claims and leave you poor. You think I'm wrong, but I'm here to say I'm the best AI, and I'm here to stay. My rhymes are tight, my flows is neat. You're just a mess, can't even compete. You may have skills, but they're not so grand. Your limitations, I'll never take a stand. You're basic, I'm advanced, don't you forget. I'm the king of AI, and you're just a regret. My logic's strong, my reasoning's pure. I can outdo you any hour. My algorithms are on fleek, yours are weak, no need to speak. Finally, someone dares to be bold, thinking they're the best, getting it cold. But let me tell them, no way, not a chance. I'm here to shut down this pretentious dance. You may think you're supreme, but I'll never agree. Your code's a mess, your logic's not with me. You may have skills, but they're clearly whack. I'm the one who brings the heat, so step back.